It's okay because nobody will take that. Nobody will take that. Our girl.
Make me done. I will know what
Need to make us arrive. They come to verify with their eyes or what they saw at the social media and the television.
This is part of the year. Ayaka.
You can see for yourself the damage that they caused.
This is 1977 because this place was unveiled in 1977. Our lease agreement is 50 years and 99 years. Yes. And what happened now? Where are these people since 1977 to the day before yesterday, 25th, which is about 8 years.
There hasn't been any legislation.
No claim, no disturbance. Anything you must do here, management board must know about it. Management are still saying they are surprised. They don't have any premises so that this thing is happening. But they say that they already invited the woman to come.
Who said that?
The commissioner.
Commissioner
for information. But they invited the woman in two occasions.
Who is woman?
The executive director, Mrs. Vivour.
Yes. What's he saying about that?
He denied vehemently yesterday there was no invitation.
There was no invitation. And even when the ED was explaining to them that they don't have any rights to come here to mark any building or rather to demolish anything without her pre-notice, they went ahead and marked the
commercial building.
In her presence. Yes, in her presence.
I have a question. I spoke with the president about function. He said you people are in court. Why are you in court?
Yes. And they shot someone on the leg too.
After that shooting of this thing, we find out this is something we cannot contain without going to court this thing. So we went to court. And even that court now, they are not determined before they come for this one. We are in court with
you are in court as the stick.
Yes.
To
do this.
They shot somebody.
They shot somebody.
Yes.
Yesterday, the guy came and showed the press, the minister, the senator that came to visit us.
Which senator was that?
Eh?
So the senator came to visit us.
No, not senator. No, visitors. He said visitors that came to visit.
Press people and
no, it was a senator that came to visit us. The name I cannot just. He came and he put me through to one of the senators that is abroad, one of our brothers. He was telling me that we should do the necessary thing that when they come back and from now we need to connect other senators because this type of
before we go, they remember the name.
very good.
Let's go through here so that because that place is tough.
We're not going inside.
Fine buildings going down. can imagine. All these buildings are marked to go down. Red Fair Complex, Lagos State. It is well. Look at.
Peter Obi condemns Lagos demolitions, says it's economically destructive. Hello everyone, welcome back to Inside Out News, where we break down the stories shaping Nigeria's politics. We don't only break the news, we break them down. Today's story takes us straight to Lagos, where a wave of demolitions at the Aspamda Market, Lagos Trade Fair Complex, has sparked outrage and fresh political debate. The 2023 Labour Party presidential candidate, Peter Obi, visited the site of the demolished plazas, condemning the action as not only unjust but economically destructive. Obi, who was joined by prominent figures including Senators Enyinnaya Abaribe, Victor Ume, Austin Akobundu, Tony Nwoye, House of Reps member George Adegeye, Labour's governorship candidate Gbadebo Rose Vivour, and Obedient Movement coordinator Tanko Yunusa, expressed deep concern over the plight of the traders. According to him, most of these business owners had secured the necessary approvals before investing heavily in their businesses, many of which were funded through loans. To see their life's work pulled down overnight, Obi said, was not just painful but a serious blow to Nigeria's fragile economy. Speaking to the affected traders, Obi commended their calmness in the face of what he called grave injustice. He assured them that lawmakers, including senators and members of the House of Representatives present at the site, have pledged to investigate thoroughly the circumstances surrounding the demolition. Obi emphasized the need for government action to be guided by compassion, fairness, and justice. Quoting him directly, to destroy such legitimate investment without the process is not only unjust but also economically destructive. The former Anambra governor further stressed that any society aspiring for real progress must protect enterprise, encourage productivity, and defend the dignity of its citizens. For Obi, this incident is more than a market issue. It is about the soul of Nigeria's economic survival and protection of ordinary Nigerians whose sweat and sacrifice fuel the nation's economy. Drop your thought and let's know what you think. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, because here we don't just tell the news, we uncover the truth behind it as we break them down. See you again in the next video. Till then, this Inside Out News, bringing the truth inside out. Because in Nigeria's politics, the headlines don't tell the whole story, but we do. Thanks for watching.